Yeah, you did a good job. Good. Let's go. Stay in the middle.
Oh my God. Pedal, pedal. Levi, you gonna go over it? Go down and do a wheelie. Go, Levi. He's got stuff to do his wheelie. Nice job, buddy. Oh, 2? Levi, can you go 3? Wow. He's just doing wheelies. Go back over it, buddy. Go, go, go. Push, push, push. Go, go, go. Go, Levi. Whoa, good job, buddy. Keep.
Levi, wait.
Go on.
Now go
Yay.
and pedal so you make it up the other one. Pedal.
Good job, Travis.
Hi, Levi. You having fun? You hitting the jumps? Careful near the edge.
Look, he's going to do a wheelie now. Watch. Nice job, Levi. He's balancing still. No wheelie this time.
Go. Good, buddy.
Yeah, go over that jump. Go fast.
Good.
Go fast. Go, go, go. Good job, Levi. Now,
Keep going. Go right over it.
Mikey wants you to
There
do
you
it.
go. Pedal.
Oh.
Let me see. All right. Let me see. Let go. Let go. Okay. Good.